transplanted ones to the actual site where I will make this grow and fruit. So remember, I transplanted this papaya like, at least a month ago. So now this is very resilient already and ready for planting. Come, let's we protect it and then just put it here with a nice soil. This is gonna thrive already. And this is my papaya that I planted at the start of quarantine. It's now very good growth already. So I'd like to also discuss to you why am I planting this. So I am focusing on what you call very easy to grow native fruit trees and root crops that are good for survival, and doesn't need a lot of maintenance, and they are called perennial, and meaning you can always count on them to grow back year after year after year. So what are these plants? One of them is my papaya here, and the other one is this one. This is kamoteng kahoy or cassava. So I just planted one of this before, and now it's everywhere in this field. So whenever I harvest, I always leave a little bit so that they will always grow back the next year. And another one is gabi, ube. All these root crops are good for sustainability and good for you to survive. And this has a very dense calories, so you can be full and be filled even with little. So turmeric, ginger, they are root crops. I grow them too, even on shaded parts like there. So I would like to, and these ones I just planted a week ago. This is a very good survival tree. Banana, very endemic in our land. And once you have planted ones, the offsprings will just grow here at the base, and they will provide fruit for you even after 4 months once you plant it. So there, I'd like to encourage you to plant more using our perennial, endemic, and survival trees for our own survival. Okay, bye.